Yo, what's up everyone, it's Ayush. So you're thinking about applying to Google Summer of Code 2025? That's awesome. GSoC is like the Olympics of open source and getting in is a huge achievement. But here's the thing, it's seriously competitive. We're talking thousands of applicants gunning for a limited number of spots. Now you might be thinking, okay Ayush, but I'm up for the challenge. And I believe you. But here's the catch, most people don't even fail because they're not good enough. They fail because they don't know the game. They miss deadlines, they don't target the right organizations, and their proposals are, well, let's just say they need some work. That's why I'm here. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to crack Google Summer of Code 2025. We're talking timelines, strategies, and I'm even going to show you how to craft a killer proposal that'll make you stand out from the crowd. Oh, and stick around till the end because I've got a secret hack for those of you who think you don't have enough experience. Let's get started. Alright, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk timelines. A lot of people, and I mean a lot, wait till the last minute to prep for GSoC. They see the application window open and it's panic mode. Don't be that person. GSoC isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It actually kicks off way earlier than you think. Think January, February. That's when organizations start announcing their participation. And this, my friends, is where you need to be paying attention. See, this early period is your chance to do some recon, scope out the organizations, see what kind of projects they're offering. March and April are when the application window actually opens, but you don't want to be scrambling for ideas then. May is when the selection results drop, nail-biting time, right? And then, if you've made it, June through August is the coding period, where you bring your A game. Now I know what you might be thinking. Ayush, it's already current month. Am I too late? Relax, I told you I'd have a hack for that. Stick around. Okay, so you've got the timeline down. Now let's talk about choosing the right organization. This is huge, people. This isn't like blindly swiping right on a dating app. You've got to be strategic. See, a lot of people just gravitate towards the big names. TensorFlow, Chromium, you know the ones. Don't get me wrong, they're amazing organizations, but everyone and their cat is applying there. You want to stand out? You got to think different. My advice? Go deeper. Look at past GSoC projects from different organizations. Find projects that genuinely excite you, projects that align with your skills. This is key. Once you've got a few organizations in mind, it's time to get involved. I'm talking joining their Discord servers, subscribing to their mailing lists, becoming a regular on their GitHub repositories. This is how you go from being a face in the crowd to a familiar name. And the best part? Start contributing before the application window even opens. Even small bug fixes, documentation updates, anything to show them you're serious. Trust me, organizations remember the people who put in the effort. Alright, we've arrived at the main event, the GSoC proposal. This, my friends, is where dreams are made or crushed. And let me tell you, I've seen some proposals that were, well, let's just say they wouldn't even make it past the first round. Here's the thing. Mentors can smell a generic, copy-pasted proposal from a mile away. They want to see passion, they want to see a clear vision, and most importantly, they want to see that you've actually put in the work. So what makes a winning proposal? First, you need a crystal clear problem statement. What problem are you trying to solve? And don't just state the obvious, dig deeper. Next, you need a detailed plan. Break down your project into weekly milestones. This shows the mentors that you've thought this through, that you have a structured approach. And don't forget to highlight your contributions so far. Remember all that early engagement we talked about? This is where it pays off. Even small contributions show that you're serious about the project. Finally, and this is crucial, tell them why you are the best person for this project. Highlight your unique skills, your past projects, anything that sets you apart from the competition. Remember, mentors aren't just looking for good ideas, they're looking for dedicated individuals who are passionate about open source. So there you have it, guys, the ultimate blueprint to cracking Google Summer of Code 2025. Remember, it's not just about being smart, it's about being strategic, putting in the work and showing those mentors that you're serious about open source. Now I know some of you might be thinking, okay, Ayush, GSoC sounds amazing, but what about other opportunities? Well, you're in luck. I've got a whole playlist of videos breaking down other amazing tech programs, internships, you name it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And hey, if this video helped you even a little bit, hit that like button and share this with your friends who are also applying to GSoC. Let's make this the year we all crush it.